Won't give us a raise unless our backs we lay. They to see us strip and call us. Throw us on.
We're actually doing a convoy to Golf Day. Together again with Selena Johnson, which she will be driving in one of our best Range Rovers to Umhlali, and that's where the golf day is going to be held. And we're literally going to be there for the tear off with her, and then after that we're going to be driving her through all the events and obviously all the amenities that she's going to be attending while she's still in Durban.
We are here in Umhlali, one of the best golf courses in the north, and one of the main reasons why we chose it. It's one of the amazing designs. The greens and the fairways are absolutely amazing. So again, it's a different way of living a healthy lifestyle, where they're walking around for about 4, 5, 6 hours today, playing golf and obviously networking, because Lovers and Friends again is about lifestyle experience and not just one element.
Yeah. I just did the tee off here, and it was interesting. I play golf very terribly, so the fact that the ball got off the actual tee is a stretch. I did hit it in the trees, so that was big for me. But then I got upstaged by someone who hit it in the sky, so it's fine. I did very good. At least I got it off the tee.
The day is awesome. It's beautiful weather. And the players are enthusiastic about the Lovers and Friends, and tomorrow is going to be a bang.
Abantu abaduma bafana la kusiza kakhulu umphakathi waseThekwini ngoba lokho kudrawa even nabanye abantu abangazi babone ubuhle bethi.
Token of our appreciation from Lovers and Friends for Selena Johnson. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We got headphones too. Really excited to perform. We've put together an amazing show for the people of Durban, so I'm so excited to be performing, and I hope that everyone comes out. It's going to be awesome.
Say thank you to Lovers and Friends and all the sponsorship that made this event a success.
But I'm caught up in your whirlwind. I'm blown away. It's gonna take